If you're searching for a fresh Hostinger coupon code and an honest Hostinger review, this video will help you access one of the best web hosting deals available right now. To unlock this special offer, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, and you'll automatically receive an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months during checkout. What makes this deal stand out is that many links online only offer around a 10% extra discount, while this one gives a full 20% extra discount together with 3 additional months, making it one of the strongest Hostinger deals currently available. If the pricing shown doesn't match your country, just click the flag icon at the top right of the page, choose your region, and the correct pricing will update instantly. In this Hostinger review, you get fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and Lightspeed servers for improved optimization and reliability. The Hostinger website builder helps you build a professional-looking website quickly, even without technical experience. Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms for both new users and growing projects. And every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try everything without risk. The extra 20% discount combined with the 3 additional months helps lower the overall cost by a significant amount. Just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the deal instantly. And as your website expands, Hostinger gives you access to advanced solutions like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N for easier scaling. To secure the highest savings available, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.